Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a trash to treasure. So come on with me, guys. So here I have two recyclable jars that I am using to create this craft. I'm also going to be decoupaging, and I think I'm going to go ahead and go with the lemon theme. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this paint from Apple Barrel, and I purchased that at Walmart. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a coat because I didn't have time to take these stickers off, and we really don't need to if we're going to decoupage, but I do want to give it a nice coat of that yellow before we move on to the decoupaging of the lemon napkins. Yes. So giving it this coat of paint is going to help with the decoupaging, because this way you won't see clear straight through the tissue. You're going to see the yellow. It's going to kind of blend in because we are going to go with the lemon tissue. So let me go ahead and finish this and I'll be right back with you. All right, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Craftmystash. The host of this collaboration is Sunflower Tasha DIY. We also have today DIY with Aria and Joanne's DIY Life. So now here, I absolutely love this tissue, this napkin, I should say. And there are two plies. So we pulled off one ply. So now we're left with we pulled off one ply, and now we're left with one ply. So half is going to go on one jar and the other half on the other jar. Remember that we let this paint dry. Then we're going to go ahead and use the Mod Podge. Now the Mod Podge, you can use whatever kind that you want, either the gloss finish or the flat finish. It doesn't make a difference, but we're going to go ahead and give it one layer of the Mod Podge. Then we're going to lay that tissue down and all the way around the jar, and we're going to do that to both. We're going to let that, once we get that on there, then we're going to go home, we're going to go back and seal it with another layer of Mod Podge. And this process is called decoupaging. So now these jars, I decided to go with the lemon because we can use this all through June, July, and most of August, and you can never go wrong with the lemon theme, guys. And that's why I decided to do both jars in the lemon theme. Okay, so now both these jars, we have to leave them sit until they're fully dry. So I'll be right back. Now, don't these look absolutely beautiful when they're dry? And you see the yellow coat underneath it help to deepen the color of the lemon tissue. I did go and get some Queen Anne's lace in that beautiful color that the Dollar Tree's carrying, that purple lavender type color. So these colors match beautifully. Now we're going to go ahead and just bend the stems, because I don't need to cut the stems, but you just bend the stems and they become accent pieces for anywhere in your home or even a tablescape, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get these ready, and we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now, don't these look absolutely amazing? You can change out the florals for whatever florals you would like, but these are the ones I decided to go with. I had these handy, so I think it came out beautiful, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.